Welcome to English with Mark, Intercambio Idiomas Academy. Grammar with the articles. Grammar through examples. How to use a, and, the, or nothing. We use a and the in several situations. But how? We use a to talk about singular nouns that begin with a consonant. I have got a car. I haven't got a bike. Have you got a skateboard? It is simple, but you need to learn through examples. We use an to talk about singular nouns that begin with a vowel. I want to buy an orange t-shirt. I would like an apple for a snack. Have you seen an elephant at the zoo? We use the to talk about things that are familiar or known. I would like to borrow the red pen. Do you live in the house next door to me? Now, let's look at some examples. Can I borrow a pencil? Yes, of course. Would you like a blue pencil or an orange pencil? Now, let me ask you some questions. Do you like dogs? Yes, I do. Do you like apples? Yes, I do. What do you want for lunch? I would like a sandwich. What would you like to drink? I would like a glass of water. Be careful we do not use the in these time expressions. Grammar through examples. Keep on learning. Enjoy your English. Intercambio idiomas.